Merry Christmas, everybody. It is your girl, J. Ross, back with another video, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this week for the countdown to Christmas. We have finally made it to Christmas, and what better way to enjoy Christmas than to go ahead and talk about my grown-up Christmas wish list. Is that what I want to say? Yeah, that sounds about right. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and get into this video. In my childhood as a kid, it's just you think about all the things you want and all the things you write to Santa about, or you go sit on Santa's lap and tell him about, like, what do you want for Christmas? And you're just like, I want this doll, I want a cell phone, I want this, I want that. And let's just go ahead and get into this. The Crayon Case Cosmetics came out with this blush binder, which I thought was actually cute, like a super cute idea. So the binder, it literally looks like one of those binders, like the decorated binders that we all wanted back in school because we wanted to have the best looking binder and all that good stuff. So it looks like a binder, but it's just full of blushes, like different shades of blushes. I think it has 18 blushes total, which can cover all shade ranges. Like, I thought it was a really cute idea and I thought it was really cool, and I would love to get that. Yes, I've already mentioned it before in my haul, and I'm still gonna mention it again. Anything SpongeBob related, I still want that. I don't care if it is makeup, I still want it. I have a huge love for SpongeBob. It's a little bit less than what it was, as I mentioned before, probably many times. The Juno Co. SpongeBob sponges, yeah, I still want those. And then I also still want the SpongeBob makeup collection, or eyeshadow and highlighter and all the good stuff collection from Hip Dot. I still want that. That's still on my grown-up Christmas. It's gonna be on my Christmas wish list until I get it. Unless for some reason I really just talk myself out of it. Like, you really don't need this. You have enough stuff. Which I should be talking myself out of this by now.
A few moments later.
Nah, you can never have enough makeup. You can never have enough. I know I just bought the suitcase from this brand, but I want the P. Louise is Canceled collection. That collection looks super legit. Yes, it is a basic nudes palette, but the theme of it is legit. The brushes, it's like it says P. Louise's trash brush kit. So it comes in like, the brushes come like in a little trash can looking thing. So adorable. And like the whole, like, it has like a mailbox looking like case, and it just looks super, super cool. And then like the eyeshadow palette is like just newspaper with all the like bullying and cyberbullying and all the trash talk people have done about P. Louise and stuff like that. I think just the P. Louise is Canceled like collection is just like super legit. The BH Cosmetics, the Sweet Shop collection, like the ice cream themed palettes, like those are super, super cool. I really want the blue one and the green one. I would definitely like love to get my hands on at least one of them. Like the last time I tried a BH Cosmetics like eyeshadow palette, I wasn't really sold on it, but it was one of those like 120 shade palettes, and then I just like never tried anything from them. Eyeshadow wise, I do have like a blush palette from them, but eyeshadow wise, I was just like, nah, this ain't it. But I really want to try them because they look very pigmented, and I feel like BH Cosmetics has stepped up. I would love the Mitchell or Made by Mitchell Feet on the Ground and Head in the Clouds, and I really want to try them super, super bad. Like, the packaging is legit. The fact that it comes in like a little sleeve is legit. Like, I don't know, it's just something about it. Like, I don't really follow Mitchell that much, but like, he be coming with some bangers when he be doing collabs and stuff. So now that he has his own brand and like his stuff looks pretty legit, like, I really want one of them one day. So this actually just came out like recently. I think Trend Mood spotted it in Sephora, or somebody spotted it in Sephora, but Riri being Riri, okay? She over here sneaking out Fenty products, knowing doggone well I just bought the cream gloss bombs from her, and then she gonna sneak out more gloss bombs. So apparently there's like this little keychain set, and I think it comes with either a new shade, one new shade, and it's called Pink Dragonfly. Either way, it looks cute because it has like a little keychain holder for your gloss bomb, which is absolutely adorable, but I feel like I would still lose it. But that's not the point. Between that and that new foundation powder that she just came out with, or powder foundation that she came. Now y'all already know I'm gonna try that. If y'all in the comments like, are you gonna try it? I'm gonna try it. Now if you wanna come out with something, come out with a huge eyeshadow palette. Not huge, but regular size eyeshadow palette, not the mini ones. With the shades, we just Just do something, like, cause we know you got it in you. Just do something. Just make it a regular size eyeshadow palette. Just do it. We believe that's all we need. I feel like that's all we need. What else do y'all think we need from Fenty? I mean, I feel like she's already stepped on our throats enough. Like, but what else do we need from Fenty? I still want that Chocolate Factory Fruity box. I know I'm really heartbroken that the chocolate bar is a pair of lashes and not an actual eyeshadow palette. But that S'mores contour palette alone is calling my name. And for those of you who are asking, like, have you even tried the stuff you had from Glenlight? Yes, I actually tried this one. This one is the one on my eyes today. And I am already so excited about it that I want to try more Glenlight stuff, including that Chocolate Factory Fruity box. I'm sorry, it's the love of the original Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. Like, I love that movie so much. When I saw that box name, I was like, come with me and you'll be in a world of your imagination. Like, that's how I felt. Instantly. I felt my Gene Wilder coming, like, I never tried anything from this brand. I want the Melt Cosmetics Beetlejuice collection. Funny thing is, I've never fully seen the movie Beetlejuice. I love Michael Keaton and I love anything Tim Burton touches, but I've never fully seen the movie. There's nothing wrong with the movie. Like, I do like what I see. I've just never watched it from beginning to end. I don't think so. And I love the theme of this collection, like the box, the eyeshadows, the aesthetics of the whole thing. I'm like, this is really, really cool. If I could have the PR box, I would love the PR box. I don't know if you can buy the PR box, but just that theme alone, I want that. And I want to try something from Melt Cosmetics, and that would probably be a good way to start, which would be that collection. I never had much of the Lisa Frank collection. And when Morphe came out with the collection, even though like the actual eyeshadows don't look all that, it looks like the theme of the palette looked like if you open the palette, it should be like that 35B, whichever one had the color scheme that everybody loved, like that one that they discontinued for some reason. I still don't understand. Like, that's what it looked like the palette should have been, but then you open it, it's a lot of like pastel-y, like ashy, cool tone type colors, and I'm just like, and I've seen it in stores, and I'm like, I don't think any of these shades are gonna really show up on me unless I like make them, like I have to put some work in. And I don't want to do all that. I just want like the packaging, because my inner childhood is just like, buy it for your inner childhood. But I can't. I'm not going to do it. Don't need it, because the shades, like I said, the shade story, the color story of the palette didn't actually wow me. But the theme of it wowed me. Still want it. If anybody bought it for me, I would still showcase it and probably find a way to use it somehow. Definitely would use the brushes, of course. If anybody else would have done it, I probably would have bought it by now. But because it's a specific person, and I'm not going to get into like bashing anything, but I just don't rock with this family or this person, so I don't really buy anything from this person. But the Kylie X Grinch collection looks absolutely legit as far as packaging and everything. Like I said, I've never tried anything from the brand. I don't plan to try anything from the brand, but just the packaging alone looks really good. Okay, there's two palettes that I want because they're blue theme. One is a Violet Voss Forget Me Not palette. Have y'all seen this palette? Like, how does that not scream me? That screams me. It's a blue palette that screams J. This palette looks gorgeous. I haven't tried anything from Violet Voss either, but I would love to, and this would probably be the first palette I would try. And another blue palette that I would love to try, even though I just spent a lot of money on this brand too, is the Juvia's Place Fumi Round 2, the Disco collection. Blue's my favorite color if y'all don't know that by now. So when I see a blue palette, even though I just spent money on Juvia's Place, I feel like that needs to be in my collection. Like I said, I wanted to keep this short, but I'm gonna make this my last one. This brand called JD Glow Cosmetics. These liquid liners that they have. So the green is called Kelly, the red is called Dorothy, and the blue is called Tranquil. If y'all see these things, like they are absolutely stunning. So if anybody that loves me and knows me is watching this, I just gave y'all some things to buy as a wish list. You know, it's never too late for Christmas gifts or birthday gifts. You know, it's never too late. Let the Lord use you to buy some of these things from my wish list.
second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
And that wraps it up for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this countdown to Christmas week, including the video on Christmas. I hope to see you guys next week for more content before the new year for sure. And yeah, that's all I have. I love you guys so much. Please stay safe, happy, healthy, and blessed. I love you guys so much. Enjoy your holidays with your family and friends, and be safe and be healthy. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Merry Christmas, everybody. Peace.